Hey guys, what's going on? Antonio X Carter here. Thank you for watching this video. Look, here I'm going to show you how to find winning offers that's going to make you money within Bing ads, using Bing ads, ClickBank, MAxbounty, pretty much any other type of affiliate marketing platform that you want to use. So this is universal. This isn't just something that you can do one or two times with one or two platforms. And as you see here, I haven't logged into this account in a very long time, so I'm actually very surprised to see $12 in here that I just generated. I have no idea where the $12 came from, but that shows you that I know what offers to choose. If I'm just making money passively like this, I don't know where the link came from. And, I mean, yeah. So anyway, so stay tuned as I give you these nuggets, but first check out this intro. Okay, I'm back. As I said, as promised, I'm going to show you how to choose winning offers depending upon your niche, whatever you're marketing. I'm going to take you through my thought process of how to help, and specifically with Bing ads in this case. I do Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, I do solo ads, I do high ticket items, I do a lot of things. So if you want to learn anything having to do with making money online, with your computer, of course, look, this is the channel you need to be at. Antonio X Carter. Thank you so much once again. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Drop any comments below, any questions that you have, and please check out tons of my free resources that I got below in the description. I have a couple of free affiliate marketing courses for you down there as well. Now let's go ahead and jump into it. If you haven't figured out, right now I'm in MAxbounty. A lot of individuals like to use something called CPL, cost per lead type of campaigns. And what happens is that you would look into MAxbounty and find one of these leads that just, oops, I accidentally clicked one. But as we go through some of these offers, you'll notice that they just ask for email. So meet locals, try to find a different one. Actually, let's just go product report card. I don't know what that is. Let's click that, see what that's about. That's offering $1.80 per lead. So if we scroll down, I just want to take a look at the landing page. Let's see what we're looking at. So anytime you send traffic to this page, whether it is via your email list, whether you have stuff under your YouTube videos, such as I do, such as myself, maybe you do solo ads, or maybe you're just running links or clicks straight to the offer via Bing ads, which is what we're specializing here in this video. If you go straight from Bing over to this page, all you need to do is collect an email and password for, I guess, a person to create. And then once they agree, you hit join now. You get paid $1.80. Is it that simple? Yes, it is. The problem is finding a good offer so that you're not only breaking even, but also so that you're making more money than what you're spending. So if you're able to spend $1 and make $2 for every dollar that you spend, you make $2. That means you just crank this thing up all day, every day. One thing to keep in mind here with MAxbounty, sometimes you have a daily cap, right? Maybe this means something for you, maybe not, but here, this campaign does not have a daily cap, which means you can run unlimited leads to this page. Sometimes there's 50, sometimes there's 25 leads as a cap here. Choose that however you want to. If you have the ability to run unlimited, then find a good offer and just run the crap out of it. But, if you're kind of just beginning and you're testing things out, go ahead and choose the offer that you want that only has like 25 and 50 leads per day for the cap. Now let's go back. And what we're going to do is we're just going to check out some other products. I want to look at, let's check out, it's the end of January. So let's check out some workout products. Let's type fitness. See if anything comes up with fitness. There's many different categories. You don't have to do it this way. You can click search options. You can look at the different traffic types and everything. But right now, I know fitness products is hot. So let's find something that works very well. I'm going to sort by EPC, earnings per click. The higher the earning per click, the more higher chance that I have for converting offer. The other thing that you want to keep in mind is the payout rate. The EPC here is almost at $1, but the earnings per lead is 144, which means you have to get close to, probably spend maybe close to $100 if you were paying $1 per click for your leads within Bing ads. That means you pay nearly $94 before you get this 144 leads. Now, that's not always the case. If you follow a lot of my training, and actually there's a link below the video provided with one of the products that I promote, I learned from Nomad Brad. If you follow a lot of that training, you can get well below that, right? You may get away with paying only $25 total in order to get this one lead. As I digress, the CLA Safflower normally converts very well. I've seen this offer multiple times. EPC, I like to get products that are over 25 cents EPC. I like to actually promote things that are at least 35 cents EPC minimum. That's just my preference. And then I go from there. You also want to make sure things work well with your list. And that's really my tall tale right there. At minimum, you should be earning 35 cents per click. But I definitely want my numbers to be a lot more better than that. Once you click on that, once you find something that fits within the parameters of your numbers, then you want to take a look at the landing page, right? This is crucial. You'll learn why some pages convert high and why some pages convert low. For whatever reason, this landing page is not working. And as we land on this page is very nice looking to the eyes. And I'm not just talking about the young lady. You have the graphics. She's wearing red, right? Which obviously grabs your attention immediately. The form here that's filled out, it looks cool. The product on the left-hand side was all right. You see Dr. Oz here. You play a video pops up. He's being interviewed, right? It has all of the cool makings of a good product. Now, I don't know what products are bad here on MAxbounty, but I can assure you that when I look at some of these landing pages, some of them will be ugly. Some of them are not even mobile, like with your mobile phone. They're not mobile optimized by mobile phones. That's also a negative sign. You do not want to promote anything that is not viewable by your phone. So what I like to do is take the same URL up here and send it to my email in my phone and look at this link, this website in my phone. If it does not adjust to the size of my phone, I do not promote it, because statistics will show you that it's somewhere between like 70 and 80% of individuals are like looking at offers with their phones. Don't quote me on that statistic. The point is, it's crazy high. All right, now let's go over to Clickbank. Let's go to affiliate marketplace. I'm in affiliate marketing. I'm into making money online. That's what I'm going to show you. If you're not doing that, if you're doing something else like survival niche or paleo, right? The same idea follows, the same principles, but you're just going to be using different products. Now, I love Clickbank because Clickbank has some of the hottest products within the market. And so I do not want to sort by popularity, but I want to sort by gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is what tells you how many products are being sold within a given time. Some people say 30 days, some people say 60 days. I don't know, but I do know that within that time, 178 people, not products, 178 people right here has been sold within that given time. I probably would say 30 days. Now, out of those 178 people, one of those individuals could be selling 1,000,000 products, and it still only counts as one within the gravity. So keep that in mind. But this means that this product is hot. Okay. I'm actually going to promote this product. I'm going to run some solo ads to it. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to just see how it converts. If it does pretty well, I'll probably run some Bing ads to it. There's multiple ways that I do marketing. But for intents of this video, we'll stick with Bing ads. So this is definitely a product that I would probably look at. I'm actually kind of cheating because I know this product is very good, and I'm going to go ahead and click this landing page so that we can take a look at it. Because remember, we want to make sure the landing page is good. Loads pretty fast. It's not very slow. You got a video, which is phenomenal. Most people are attracted to video. Now, something else very important. You have big words right here. This gets your attention very quickly. Then when you scroll down, I don't know about your eyes, but my eyes, the very next thing it hit was this video. So if the video is attractive, I'm going to be watching the video, then I'm going to be reading everything else. Okay. These are essential things to look at when it comes to finding a winning offer. Because if this doesn't attract me, and if this video doesn't attract me, before I even try to scroll down, guess what? The average customer is clicking off. You only have a couple of seconds to catch your customer's eye, right? So first you got to catch your customer's attention, then you provide them with the content. Okay. Don't get so caught up in how good of a product is if it's not selling. And most of the time, if it's not selling, there is a specific reason. So you take a look at something like that. You see the gravity's 178 for this product. Average sale, $68. There is a rebill, right? $58. I don't know about you, but for me, monthly recurring commission sounds very excellent at the time. Okay. Now, let's scroll down and look at a product with a lower gravity. This is sold 12, or the gravity is at 12. Let's see if the landing page looks kind of corny. Landing page looks kind of attractive. But it has a whole bunch of more words. See, now I'm curious because I have to scroll down just to find out more information. Whereas the other page, everything was pretty much above the fold. There really wasn't a whole bunch to choose from. So maybe it has something to play with. I don't know. Maybe it's the product itself. Maybe the product is not worth what the video is saying. I don't know. Multiple factors come into play. Let's look for one more. Because again, I'm helping you guys find winning offers. That's a gravity of 4. Traffic bots. What is that? I'm just curious. Let's find out what this is. It said the average sale was $12. Already looks kind of corny to me. How I'm making, and if you're the creator of Traffic Autobot, I apologize. I'm not trying to talk bad about your stuff, but at the same time, there's some things that could be worked on here. So it's very plain, very simple. The pages doesn't pop out at me like some of the other pages do. And these are, again, things that you want to point out. Let's see if it's mobile friendly. Yep. It adjusts anytime I change the size of the page. So I personally wouldn't promote this one because the gravity is not very high. I don't want to just promote something for $12.47 if I'm going to be spending money. If I'm going to be using Bing ads, I'm probably going to promote something that is $27 or more, preferably $47 or more. And then you look here within ClickBank. This is why I love ClickBank over MAxbounty at this moment. You can look at the affiliate page and let's see if they give us a little bit more information, because I like to choose products that provide upsells. So now you don't just sell on a front end offer. There's other products to be sold as people purchase. How many? No, I don't think this one has a funnel. But I know who does have a funnel though. Let's go back and see. This guy has a funnel. The 12-minute system, the very first one that I clicked. See, I'm telling you, there's generally a reason why products are doing well. Look at this. You can
Hey, what's up, JPs and affiliate partners? Devon Brown here. Congratulations on making your way to the
He's way too excited right now.
For the 12-minute affiliate.
Pause. Look, up to $398.50 per sale, guys. Just imagine if you got 20 sales using Bing ads, and one of those, they go through this whole funnel and purchase everything. That's amazing, right? That makes it worth it. Okay. Now, here's the funnel. The front end, $9.95, 50%. Look, you can see what you would earn for your commission as somebody goes through the upsells and everything. So if they purchase this, they're moved on to over here. Then if they purchase that, they're moved on to over here. And then all the way through to a monthly commission. So after making all of this money over here, you would then have the chance to make monthly recurring commission of $47. Now, 50% of that is 20 something. I don't know what that math is, but you have the chance for that, guys. That is why this 12-minute affiliate system, why is this like that? Because, okay, good. That's why this is at the top of the charts, guys. Sell what is hot. Do not try to reinvent the wheel here, okay? You're going to sell what is already selling, work with what's already working. Same thing with MAxbounty and any other platform for that matter. So I hope you guys learned a lot. Again, I have a lot of free resources and tools for you guys under the video inside the description. Please click on them, download them, use them to the best of your abilities, because I made an affiliate marketing course. It's awesome. Plus tons of other stuff. Check out Nomad Brad's course for Bing ads. Again, that's what I used. Solid guy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also comment. Give me some comments. Show me some love, guys. Let me know that you're watching this. All right. So we'll talk with you guys later. Antonio X. We'll see you later.